Hi, welcome back to my kitchen. Okay, today is going to be another hearty soup kind of day. My husband found this this recipe. It's called Rustic Sausage and Potato Soup. And he surprised me with it about, I don't know, a month ago. Anyways, it was delicious. So I thought I got to copy that recipe. So that's what I'm doing today. Actually, he's here helping me too, since he's the one who mastered the recipe to begin with. Okay. We already fried. Oh, there he is.
Hello. Now you know who the real chef is.
Yeah, okay. I'll let you believe that. Okay, for today anyways. He already fried the sausage. Italian sausage, took the casing, taken out of the casing. Oh, hot Italian sausage. He took the casing off and he already fried it. So, done. That's put aside. Now we're just, we're going to cut up some potatoes, celery, throw in some garlic and carrots. And we're going to saute that. And then we're going to add everything else. We'll see you. Let's get this party started. No, let's get this party on the road. Okay. So now what we need is we need to add our carrots, celery, onion, and garlic. So let's get that all chopped up and in the pot. As I'm prepping this part, my husband is getting the potatoes done. It's nice to have two hands in the kitchen.
You do have to.
Okay, yeah, you're right. It's nice to have four hands in the kitchen. This soup is so good that my son, when my husband made this soup the first time, my son had 2 bowls, and he's not a soup eater.
But now he requested it.
And today he requested it. So, it goes to show you right there how good this soup is. You can see what I'm doing? Yeah. I'm just chopping up the veggies.
Chop the potatoes and wash them.
Can you throw the tablespoon of garlic?
Chopped garlic. Ready to go.
Okay? We get our potatoes ready. So we're going to saute that for about 5 minutes. And then you're going to add in your broth, potatoes, and all the spices.
Oh, gotta get the tomato.
Oh, and the tomato, that's right. So today, my husband is the chef, and I'm playing sous chef. Right, Fernando?
Yeah, something like that.
Well, since it's your recipe. Okay, chef. Potatoes are ready to go. Sausage is ready, potatoes are ready. We put these vegetables right back into the same pot that we browned the sausage in, because for the flavor. That flavor it's gonna be amazing. Okay.
Okay, tomato.
Go ahead. Now we're using
How
our
much you want? Half a jar?
no, maybe the whole
The
thing.
whole jar. Yeah.
We're using our homemade tomatoes from our garden, but you can just use
Can of tomato.
can of diced tomato, can of whole tomatoes. And for today, I like to cheat a little bit, and this is how I cheat, by using already made.
What? Cheat does what the recipe is.
Yeah, but you make your own stock. I don't have time to make stock, so I use the vegetable stock already made. And I don't think you need two. I think one is enough.
Yeah, we can make our own stuff.
Oh, I know we can.
We'll boil some chicken and we'll jar it.
Okay, that's a little bit too much work for me. Okay, so we got recap. We put in the carrots, celery, onion, garlic. Sauteed that for a bit. Then we threw in 1 jar or equivalent to 1 can of tomatoes and 1 carton, 946 ml of the, I used vegetable broth today. You can use chicken broth, vegetable broth, beef broth, whatever you have on hand. I had the vegetable broth. Okay. Okay, now we're gonna add in our potatoes and then we're gonna spice it all up. So, in goes the potatoes. Now, spices. We're gonna put 3 bay leaves. 3 bay leaves. We're gonna put some paprika. Half a tablespoon of paprika. Okay, we're gonna add in our salt. Same, I'm gonna put half a tablespoon, that's plenty. If we need more as we go, once it's all cooked, you taste it. If you feel like you need more, you can add it then. Okay. And what else do we need? I got the salt, I got the bay leaf. Oh, oregano. And parsley. Sorry guys, I'm not as organized as I usually am. Half a tablespoon oregano. And the same half a tablespoon of parsley. That was a little bit more than half, but all those spices together combined taste good. So, do I put the sausage in now, Fernando?
No, you could. It's already cooked anyway.
Okay.
Let it cook with the potato. So once the potato's done, I think it's ready.
Yeah. This is another easy soup to put together. They call it soup. I call it stew. I don't know. But that looks yummy. Look at that. Nice and hearty. Oh, that's right. And then right at the end, when it's all cooked up, I'm going to throw in 2 handfuls of spinach. Okay. We're going to let that boil, bring it to a boil. I'm going to turn it down to halfway and let it cook for a good 20 minutes. I think that's how about it takes the potato about 20 minutes to cook. Where's the, oh, here's the lid. See you in a bit. Okay, we're back. This is boiled for a good 20 minutes. Actually, I put it on for 25 minutes. And I think the potatoes are pretty done to me. Look at that. Beautiful. Oh yeah. Carrots, everything. Okay, so now I'm gonna throw in my spinach. Washed and ready to go. I'm gonna put a couple of handfuls because you know that that's just gonna wilt. And we're just gonna let that cook for about another 5 minutes. And dinner's ready. Looks and smells amazing. Not bad. Okay. See you in 5. Ready to go. Look at that. All done. Came out amazing. It smells amazing. They call it soup. I call it stew. Let's plate that up. Wow. I can't wait to get into that myself. That's it. Dinner's on the table. Enjoy.